Subscribe to Love in Love and turn on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates when I upload a video.
Do you all guys know that we all consuming harmful metals while we drink water and while we consume food which is cooked in the modernized vessels? So harmful. Hi guys, welcome back to Love and Love. As you'll know that I'm stuck in my village by my previous video. I'm researching a lot about village lifestyle, and on research I came to know one of the most important one, that is using earthen pots or clay pots. Especially in this summer, I'm watching everyone here using earthen pots for storing drinking water and also for cooking, and the water stored in it and the food cooked in it tastes amazing and also have lot of health benefits. So in today's video I'm going to talk about earthen pots in detail in the form of questions and answers. These are the 10 questions I'm going to answer quickly. Just have a glance of it. What is earthen pots? Earthen pots or clay pots are the one which is very important for us in day-to-day life because it has tremendous health benefits compared to other metal utensils like steel, aluminium, and the most dangerous, that is non-stick and its varieties, that we use every single day. What are they made of and how? They are made from clay or different types of it and made into objects of desired shape and allowed to dry, and then heating them to high temperatures using natural fire. Why water gets cold in earthen pots? Because of the pores present in the pots, that is, in clay pots, water starts evaporating quickly through the pores present in it, and hence water becomes cool. And it's also called as natural refrigerator. How does it taste? As per my knowledge, it tastes amazing, somewhat like clayish muddy smell. What I feel is no drink can replace it. The best thing that I can tell about it that it can replace those expensive preserved mineral water or water purifier. You can call it as your own mineral water or purifier. What are the healthy components present in it? Mainly, they are alkaline. They contain important nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and much more, which are extremely beneficial for our health. Which one occupies the first place for drinking water? Earthen pots or copper vessels? Both in the price and also in the properties or benefits. And the first place goes to earthen pots, yes, in both the ways. Our ancestors were never gone wrong because earthen pots were made from their time, that is ancient time, and has lot of health benefits naturally. And copper accessories are modern ones but cannot be the ancient ones and also too expensive. And one more thing, while I was making this topic, I just thought that why not I make another video of ancient days versus modern days in my style. Do let me know in the comment section. Is it good to cook the food in earthen pots over the metal utensils? Definitely yes, because the utensils that we use daily for cooking not only cooks the food but sends its metallic properties to the food that we eat. So every day we not only consume food but also some metals. It sounds horrible, isn't it? And when the food is cooked in the earthen pots, as I said earlier, they are alkaline in the nature, that is, they neutralize acidity and helps in restoring the pH balance. There are many other uses as well, like it contains lot of nutrients, tastes amazing, and list goes on. So by now you would understood that which one is better. What are the types and forms of earthen pots? The types are earthenware, stoneware, assembly, and clay type. And the forms are water pot with tap valve, water mugs, water cans, plates, and cooking vessels like kadai, etc. How to clean the pots? Right after using, just pour some water into it and leave it or boil it little. Then using your hand, just clean it inside with plain water. Don't use any kind of dishwashers or any other kind of external products, as it will be accumulated into the pots, and when you use it for the next time, you know what happens, right? That is, the content get absorbed into the food or water that we consume. Where to buy? Well, you can buy it in any local market or local store or online as well. However, due to the lockdown, it's currently unavailable, that is online. But for your convenience, I'll provide the links in the description. Once it's available, you all can buy it. And I'll also notify in my Instagram page. I hope you learned something out of this video. If so, like it, and for any queries regarding this, or if you want any video related to village life, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make it for you all guys. Or if you want to ask me anything personally, DM me on Instagram. And most important thing is subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell and share to everyone. And if you want more details on this, check out my website. All the links are provided in the description. And this is Lavanya winding up. Thanks for watching. Bye.